Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Airbnb into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download Airbnb, you just simply have to open your Play Store application into your phone, and after opening your Play Store application, just simply search for Airbnb into there. Then after searching Airbnb, this option of Airbnb application with the reddish and white logo will appear. Just simply tap into that application and then this install button will appear. Just simply tap into the install button, and after that your Airbnb application will successfully be downloaded into your phone depending on the internet speed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.